Let's be honest, AI isn't the future anymore. It's already here. And the enterprises that get that, they're not just staying competitive, they're pulling ahead. Faster, leaner, smarter. So here's the question. Are you just experimenting with AI? Or are you actually using it to solve real problems? At xcubeLABS, we help enterprises do exactly that. We turn AI into tangible business outcomes. Let's break it down. So AI isn't just about automation, it's about augmentation. It's how a diagnostics lab knows exactly when a patient's test report will be ready, before it even begins. It's how a medical research team sifts through thousands of clinical trial documents to find the next big drug candidate, without lifting a finger. AI solves operational drag. It reduces errors, predicts delays, personalizes services, and uncovers patterns your teams can't see at scale. If you're sitting on massive amounts of data, that's not a bottleneck. That's an opportunity waiting to be unlocked. Because we don't just build models, we deliver systems that work in the real world. We've built AI engines for healthcare, agriculture, industrial IoT, consumer apps, pharma, diagnostics, logistics, you name it. Let's walk through a few stories. Predictive lab testing ETA. One of India's largest diagnostics providers had a problem. Too many support calls. Patients kept asking, "When will my test report be ready?" We built a machine learning model that looked at historical data, lab conditions, test type, and even staff availability to accurately predict turnaround time. Result? A 15% drop in support calls, more transparency, less chaos. Smart recommendations for medical tests. We didn't stop there. For the same provider, we built a recommendation engine that suggested tests based on demographics, cart behavior, and local trends. Think of it like Amazon for health checkups, only smarter. NLP for pharma research. A global pharma giant was drowning in R&D documents. Critical data is buried in PDFs, charts, and paragraphs. We used NLP to extract relevant info, identifying potential drug candidates and speeding up clinical insights. No more manual digging, just fast, structured knowledge. Reducing patient churn in clinical trials. Clinical trials are expensive. Losing patients halfway costs millions. We built an adaptive platform that kept both patients and coordinators engaged, informed, and on track. The result? Better data, higher retention, faster go-to-market. Computer vision in agriculture. Farmers can now scan a bottle or snap a crop and instantly get product details or detect weeds. We built AI apps that recognize agrochemicals and identify invasive species using image recognition and deep learning. Impact, informed decisions, increased yield, and sustainable farming. AI ops for IT service management. Imagine an IT service desk that doesn't wait for tickets. It predicts and solves issues before users even complain. That's what we built using ML, NLP, anomaly detection, and a smart ticketing engine. The result? Faster resolution, lower noise, zero guesswork. What makes us different? We're not another AI vendor with flashy demos. We're your strategic tech partner, from identifying the right use case to deploying at scale. Here's what we bring to the table: deep expertise in ML, NLP, computer vision, and generative AI, an enterprise-ready framework to integrate with your systems, solutions built for real-world constraints, edge devices, remote locations, legacy infrastructure, transparent outcomes, faster decisions, higher efficiency, better customer experience. We've shipped over 900 products, created over $5 billion in value, and transformed operations across Fortune 500 enterprises globally. AI isn't optional anymore. It's not a maybe later, it's a right now. And if you want to make it work, you need more than hype. You need experience, clarity, and execution. That's what we do at xcubeLABS. So, how about transforming your business with AI that actually works? Let's talk. Let's be honest. AI isn't